Abdali Grammar School, Science. Lesson. Form of energy and energy transfer. Lecture number 3. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Welcome back, with another interesting topic of science, that is, form of energy. There are 4 main forms of energy that are used in our daily life: light energy, sound energy, heat energy, electrical energy. Let's discuss the first form of energy, light energy. Light is a form of energy. It enables us to see things around us. Sun is the main source of light. Shadow. Shadow is defined as the absence of light. When light does not pass through from object, then shadow is formed. Shadow are formed when object block the path of light. Shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light. For example, when light is on left side, then shadow of the object is formed on right side. Our next slide is about reflection. The act of reflecting as is casting back light or heat, mirroring, giving back or showing an image. When light falls on shiny surface such as mirror or a polished metal, it comes back forming the image of the object that is placed in front of that surface. Let's learn about rainbow and how rainbow formed. The arc of visible colors that is formed in the sky after rain. The light comes from the sun is consist of 7 colors: red, orange, green, yellow, blue, indigo, violet. Let's discuss how rainbow is formed. When sunlight passes through rain drops, it disappears into 7 chorus that makes the arc in sky, which is called rainbow. I hope you all understand the 2 form or energy. See you next time with other 2 forms of energy in our next video. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69, Abdali Road, Islampura.